Another place.
Yes.
Dolphin, ne?
No.
Dolphin,
No.
600.
No. Free fees, free entry.
Free entry.
Ah.
Golden Beach Hotel.
Okay.
Let's go. Free. Your room number?
1030.
1030. Free entry.
Aditya, I like you.
Okay, very good. Okay. Okay. Central Mall. Central Mall. Free entry.
Okay, done.
Chalo. Now I know it's time. You can rest in the afternoon. Tonight we'll have dinner. Okay. Tonight dinner. Pick up from hotel 6:30. Today restaurant is a little bit far.
Okay.
Okay. So 6:30 assembly.
Okay.
Now 3:30 back to hotel. Around 2 hours. You can take a nap. You can play swimming pool or whatever. Enjoy yourself. 6:30 we meet again for and also viewpoint Pattaya Tower, the tallest tower. Tomorrow morning afternoon 9:30 start. Continue. Okay, and then last shopping. Shopping again back to hotel in the afternoon. So that is tomorrow. Remember time 9:30. Dress anything like today. Easy. Outgoing. Okay. Passport, keep careful. Now I'm up to, I think today is the 3rd day of the tour. Alright, everybody still happy, safe, nothing lost. Passport safe, money safe, yourself also healthy, that is best. Okay, very good. Keep it up. Keep it up like this until you're injured by anything, then it's not happy. It's not, I mean, my passengers. 2 groups continue. 2 groups is different company. 2 groups different agent. Okay, but it's something which has happened the same. Okay, now talk about the first group first. That day in the night around 2 a.m. already sleeping. Okay, the guest called me. Have some problem. Please come to the lobby. Come to the lobby 1-2 a.m. There is a lady boy, 2-3 of them, look like girls, and one of my passengers. Case argue. The lady boy said, "This man snatching me, not snatching, pulling, pushing, whatever." Then my chain, necklace broke. Okay, my handbag, hand carry bag broke. Now my necklace lost. So he has to pay for that. Okay. 60,000. 60,000 baht value necklace which is unseen. Okay. So I was there. How can I explain to you? I think you guys understand my English, right? I just want to share with you. That time as a guide, you know, I'm telling you, I know what was happened. This is not the first time. Even my first time or second time or many times with other guys' friend. Always in the same social. Okay. I know the problem is come because you are lady boy. You are lady boy. Yes, maybe my passengers, they are men. So they might meet you outside somewhere. And then you want to come stay together in the room. That is your personal things. Second, why we will have to pull or push each other? I don't know. Okay, and actually, you know, I am a girl. I am a guide. I am so happy to show you the place. I'm not happy to solve this case of this thing. Okay, I cannot fight hitting lady boy. Why you are doing this? I cannot do that. Okay, the thing is, again, I said this is 2 a.m. in the night. I was standing here again 1 hour next 3 a.m. Then you both sides saying one thing another thing. Just not make anything happen. Okay, I said this, you are not happy. I said that, you are not happy. Both are not listening to me anyways. So we have to go to police station because the guest is not ready to pay 60,000. and this lady boy needs 60,000. So we have to go to police station tomorrow morning. Okay, tomorrow morning, the majority of the group, suppose you are one person who have problem, then what about the other 70 people? If the guide accompany you to police station, then who will take you to Koro Island? The bus without a guide, police also will catch you. See the problem. Okay. So I call friend to help, accompany, take the group. Because take the group that every guide can do. Now I have to go with this man to police station. To sit there as a dumb, stupid person. Listen again the same story. And the police in Pattaya. I'm telling you, this is not a good thing. But the thing which I am also sad. But I am not a prime minister to change. There is the corruption here. Okay? The police just sitting. Listen. Anybody want to say anything, say same story. And then police said, oh, why Indian man? Why you are pulling her? Then you have to pay her. Negotiate. 1 hour, 2 hours, waste. Okay? Finally, you have to pay anyway. Otherwise, they said they have to put you in the jail. Waiting for a court and the next process. Who want to do that? You stay here only 3-4 days. So finally, negotiate going on. Anyways, 20,000 he paid. Over. For what? For the necklace, which even I don't know it was there or not from the beginning. The police don't want to investigate. No CCTV camera. Normally you should start from then, right? If somebody comes said, I have necklace, he is pulling me, now my necklace gone. So we have to confirm first that necklace is there or not. No, police not do anything. Just sitting, negotiate, pay, go. People are tired, you know. I am also tired. This man also tired. From last night until morning, until afternoon. Finally money, pay to get this done. Done. I don't know. I think maybe this lady boys mafia team. Also police get money. What can I do? Next group, that group over. I cannot do anything. I just accompany you. Next group, same. I saw the same lady boy come back to hotel with one of my passengers. Because Indian groups always we have lots of men. A lot of men. Like 4 buses. All men. So I cannot. Okay. He understand, he not understand, whatever. But finally, luckily, I met someone who understand me and explained to him. Okay? To not go more with this lady boy. Because I'm sure this lady boy will make some story again. This is the way they are earning money. Okay? But still, when my customer understand, oh lady boy, okay. So I don't want you go back. Tell lady boy go back. Lady boy don't want to go back. Said you take me from walking street to this hotel is time waste. Now you have to pay me 3,000. Just like that, 3,000. Of course, now again, why you have to meet this? I said, why 3,000? You came from there, 300, 200, okay. No. Now they call friends. 2, 3 of them. I was alone. And lady boys are boys. Right? Lady boys are men. What can I do with them? I understand my customer, but what can I do? You also cannot do anything, you don't even understand the language. Okay, they're the same person. 2 groups continue. So I save their photo every time. Very nice. That's why you happy, I am happy. Okay. We are enjoying we are enjoy so much, but we are not that too much, right? So much or too much, that is limit, right? So anyways, you come for 5 days, keep good memory, because when you meet that case, for me, I will forget it, because I'll move on. But you only one time come to this country, bad memory for somebody. Maybe that is always like in mind of that man, and it's not only one time. This is only me one guy. There are so many guys, there are so many groups. We always have to listen to this story. Even with Vestige, the first batch, our people, almost the same story. Take the girls to hotel, then fighting, whatever. The girls always, only thing is, those people need the money from out, but anyways, you have to pay for that. This is all not good. Okay, police also, even here, we know. In India, give money, na? Then the car can go. Sometime here also, but big money have to give money. Corruption from small until big thing. Okay, so now enjoy.
Okay.
Good bedtime story. Madam sleeping already. Bedtime story. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So we meet again 6:30, hotel lobby. ठीक है.